In this video, I'll show you how to swap tokens on your MetaMask wallet step by step. First, open your MetaMask app or browser extension and unlock your wallet. At the top, make sure you're on the correct network, like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon. You'll only see tokens and swaps for the network you're currently using. Now, on the main screen, choose the token you want to swap from. For example, ETH or USDT. Tap it, then look for the swap button and tap or click it. On the swap screen, select the token you want to swap to from the list, then enter the amount you want to swap. MetaMask will search different DEXs and show you a quote, including estimated price, fees, and minimum received. Check the details and, if needed, adjust slippage or gas fee using the advanced options. When everything looks good, tap swap or confirm and wait for the transaction to complete. Your new tokens will then appear in your wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. And subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.